We'll start with new type. Type number 5 is if integration is of the type a cos x plus or minus b sin x upon c cos x plus or minus d sin x, or if it is of the form a e raised to x plus or minus b upon c e raised to x plus or minus d, then we'll use here substitution method. Substitution is numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b times d dash, means derivative of denominator. So start with the first question. तर पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात नाही येणार की हा टाइप ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे a cos x प्लस और माइनस b sin x अपॉन c cos x प्लस और माइनस d sin x. बट विल कन्वर्ट. सी आता पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला काय करता येईल इथे tan x we write as sin x upon cos x. एलसीएम फाइंड करा. सो दिस इज cos x प्लस sin x अपॉन cos x. आणि हा जो अपॉन cos x आहे तो न्यूमरेटर मध्ये जाईल. सो दॅट विल बी cos x अपॉन cos x प्लस sin x. नाउ दिस फॉर्म इज देयर. Form is this. So we substitute numerator is equal to a times denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. Now numerator is cos x. Denominator is cos x plus sin x plus b times derivative of cos x plus sin x. Now solve it further. So this is a cos x plus a sin x plus b into bracket derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus derivative of sin x is cos x. Simplify it. So cos x is equal to a cos x plus a sin x minus b into minus sin x, that is minus b sin x plus b into cos x, that is b cos x. Now we'll collect, in this case cos together, we'll collect sin together. So we get this term as a minus b times of sin x plus a plus b times of cos x, and on left hand side it is cos x term is there. So since sin x term is not there on left hand side, so coefficient will consider as 0. So now comparing coefficients of sin x and cos x, we'll get here two equations. A minus b as 0, coefficient of cos is a plus b, on left hand side it is 1. Solve it simultaneously. So we get a as 1 by 2. And since a minus b is 0, so a is equal to b, so b is also 1 by 2. So you get here two values for a and b, and hence this numerator form is written as, therefore integration where numerator is written, see this numerator is cos x, it is written in this form a into cos x plus sin x. A is half cos x plus sin x plus b times, b is half, b times derivative of cos x plus sin x divided by denominator as it is. So separate LCM. Now for this type, if you separate LCM, पहिली term नेहमी cancel will. First term is always going to be cancel here. And second term is always in the form of f dash x upon fx. आता हा एज अ फॉर्म्युला म्हणून मी तुम्हाला लिहून दिलाय सुरुवातीला. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे f dash x upon fx, इंटिग्रेशन व्हॅल्यू इज log of fx. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ f dash x upon fx इज log of fx. हा फॉर्म्युला मी तुम्हाला स्टार्टिंगला लिहून दिलाय. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ f dash x upon fx, integration value is log of fx plus c. So first term cancel, inside it is 1, and second term is in the form of f dash x upon fx form, and so finally integration value is half. Common घेऊ शकता तुम्ही, integration of 1 is x, f dash x upon fx is log of fx plus some constant value c. So your final integration value. ओके, एकदा बघून घ्या सगळ्यांनी, मग आपण पुढचा प्रश्न स्टार्ट करू. Now we consider next question. Let's start with the next question. The form is again a cos x plus or minus b sin x upon c cos x plus or minus d sin x. So substitution is numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. A into denominator. Denominator is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b times derivative of denominator. So that this term is 4a sin x plus 5a cos x plus b into bracket 4 as it is derivative of sin x is cos x. This is 4 cos x. 5 as it is derivative of cos is minus sin. Now we'll collect sin together. Solve करा है, simplify करा. 4a minus 5b sin x common. 5a plus 4b times cos x. Okay, and then we'll compare. On left hand side 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is there. So comparing, if we compare it, we get here two equations. 4a minus 5b is the coefficient of sin x. On left hand side, coefficient of sin x is 3. 5a plus 4b is equal to coefficient of cos is 4 here. Now solve it simultaneously. Simultaneous solving सगळ्यांना येते. Okay, so this is 16a minus 20b is equal to 12. 25a plus 20b is equal to 20. Add करा म्हणजे हा 20b cancel होईल. So this is 41a is equal to 12 plus 20. It is 32. So a is 32 upon 41. Now we'll substitute this value in any one of this equation. Suppose we'll consider first one, 4a minus 5b is equal to 3. Substitute a. So this is 128 minus 123 upon 41 is equal to, so we get here b as 1 by 41. Okay, we get b as 1 by 41. So integration where numerator is written in terms of कॅल्क्युलेशन पार्ट चेक करा ना, ए आणि बी बरोबर आहे की नाही एकदा चेक करा. सो न्यूमरेटर इज रिटन ॲज ए टाइम्स डिनॉमिनेटर प्लस बी टाइम्स डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ डिनॉमिनेटर डिवायडेड बाय एलसीएम विल सेपरेट. एक स्टेप आपण इथे डायरेक्ट लिहू शकतो. एलसीएम विल सेपरेट. फर्स्ट टर्म ऑलवेज कॅन्सल. 32 by 41 outside integration of 1 is x. 1 by 41 constant outside integration. F dash x upon fx form. Integration value is log of fx plus some constant value c. Okay. झालं असेल तर पुढे जाऊ आपण. आणखीन आपण इथले 1-2 प्रश्न सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. Next question we'll consider. See, if integration is of the type a e raised to x plus or minus b upon c e raised to x plus or minus d, in that case also we'll consider same substitution. Numerator is equal to a times denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. So this is 4a e raised to x minus 5a. Derivative of 4 e raised to x is 4 e raised to x. 5 constant, derivative value is 0. Now we'll collect e raised to x terms together. Minus 5a. Left hand side as it is. I will compare. If we compare it, we will get here two equations. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 minus 5a is equal to 4. So a is minus 4 by 5. We substitute this value in any one of this equation. In equation number 1 only. Okay. So बघा ही व्हॅल्यू काय ती. एकदा चेक करूया आपण. ओके. सो minus minus cancel. b is 31 by 20. Constant value सगळ्यांनी चेक करा. So integration, the numerator is written as a times denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. LCM will separate. First term cancel. Minus 4 by 5 constant outside integration. 31 by 20 constant outside integration. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x. F dash x upon fx. Integration value is log of fx plus some constant value c. Now consider next one. Question number 4 we'll consider. Okay. Now same substitution. Numerator is 3 e raised to x plus 4. A times denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. So this is 4a e raised to x minus 3 into a minus 3a. Derivative of 4 e raised to x is 4 e raised to x. 3 constant derivative value 0. Now collecting again e raised to x terms together and we'll separately consider a constant term. Compare. So minus 3a is 4. So a will get as minus 4 by 3. Now consider 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. A is minus 4 by 3. 3 will take on left, 4b will take on right. So if we solve it, get b as 25 by 12. Okay. And hence integration where numerator is written as a times denominator plus b times derivative of denominator. LCM will separate. First term cancel. So minus 4 by 3 constant outside integration of 1 is x. 25 by 12 constant outside integration. F dash x upon fx form. Integration value is log of fx plus some constant value c. तर ह्याच टाईपमध्ये आणखीन एक 2-3 प्रश्न आपण सॉल्व करूया. क्वेश्चन मध्ये तुम्हाला टाईप ओळखता येणं खूप महत्वाचं आहे. जर तुम्हाला टाईप ओळखता आला तरच तुम्ही प्रॉपर सबस्टिट्यूशन करून हे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करू शकता. त्यामुळे जेव्हा तुम्ही टाईप वाईज सॉल्विंग करणार आहात तेव्हा लक्षात ठेवा की तो टाईप थरली करा. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही तो प्रॉपरली समजावून घेऊन कराल त्यानंतरच तुम्हाला जेव्हा परीक्षेला प्रश्न विचारला जाईल त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला तो प्रश्न बघितल्या समजलं पाहिजे की हा टाईप कुठला आहे, हा कशा प्रकारे सॉल्व केला पाहिजे, याच्यात प्रॉपर काय सबस्टिट्यूशन पाहिजे, या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्या लक्षात येणं खूप खूप गरजेचं आहे. आणि म्हणून त्यासाठी घरी प्रॅक्टिस करत राहा. ठीक आहे. सो जेवढी तुम्ही घरी प्रॅक्टिस कराल तेवढे तुम्हाला आपोआप हे प्रश्न थरली सॉल्व्ह करता येतील. ठीक आहे. तर घरी जे काही तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिससाठी मी प्रॉब्लेम्स देते ते त्या दिवशी लगेचच्या लगेच करत चला. ओके.